Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Johnny Chivers. For you who don't know me, I'm a data engineer by trade, working Monday to Friday, primarily in the financial services sector. I make videos for this YouTube channel, mainly technical videos on AWS, but every once in a while I throw in one of these update videos so we can kind of get a grasp of where the channel's going, what we're going to achieve in the coming months, and just keep you guys generally up to date of what's going on in my life. So the big announcement out of this week is that I've mentioned in the previous update videos, I've been working on a app or a resource that's going to be community driven and help with AWS certifications. So I'm pleased to announce that that app is getting towards the alpha testing stage, and I can announce the name. It's called the QuestionBank.io. It's currently password protected on the website, so you won't see anything. But it's going to be, as I said, a community-driven resource that helps people like you and me towards ICT qualifications. This will start with AWS. I am open to it being GCP and Azure as quick as possible. I've already put the infrastructure in place. And then we'll just expand out as far as we can go. And the reason it's community driven, so I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you right now on screen, is because normal resources like Udemy or WizLabs or Tutorials Dojo, which are excellent resources, are really focused towards the exams and the kind of slow paced change that they work at. And there's nothing wrong with that. But what I wanted was just a bank of questions that could be constantly updated by people who are in the community, by people who are in this resource. So there's a section where we can all submit questions. These questions enter a peer review process that then on our actual individual dashboards, we get pushed a set of them. We then peer review them and we accept or reject or add recommendations to them. There's then an AI algorithm in the background that kind of looks at similarity and changes and things like that. It gets pushed to an expert for review, and if it's accepted, it enters the question bank, and if it's rejected, it sits there and it can be picked up again and looked at and modified. And that way we can constantly be reactive and proactive to what's going on. It will be a subscription-based service. I haven't decided on the price yet because there's an AWS backend and it is massive that needs paid for. And I'm going to embed a third-party forum. So because it's community-driven, I really want a forum in, and then we can all communicate together. And that's how the resource is going to work. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing, but I'm biased because I've built it, or I am building it. As I said, we're about 4 weeks away from alpha testing. So if any of you guys want to help me alpha test, reach out in the comments or contact me on LinkedIn or drop me an email off the website. As a thank you for helping me test, you can just have free access for the entirety of the app itself. That's the least I can do for your time. More importantly, as I said, it's built on AWS, so it's an AWS Amplify app. It's back end or front end or CI/CD. Away from Amplify, there's DynamoDB tables, there's an RDS table, there's Glue, there's data lakes, there's Lake Formation, there's IAM, there's Cognito. There's just everything. So I'm also, from next week, going to start doing videos on how it's built in the back end. But these won't just be these normal YouTube videos where it's like, I built it on AWS Cognito. I built it using AWS Amplify with the React front end. Here you go. What we'll actually be doing is taking a look at the kind of in-depth architecture and some of the decisions I made, why I made them, and then we'll do a technical deep dive and actually code some of the solution ourselves. So it's going to provide material for the channel. And then as we evolve the app, because it's community driven and people say, hey, I want this, or hey, I want that, or there's a bug, I can also show you how you fix it. I can show you why we do something, why we don't do something, and how it was coded. And the whole process can be completely transparent. So yeah, QuestionBank.io, it's on its way. It's almost there. We're about to go alpha testing. I'm so excited for this one, guys. Aside from that, the videos are just going to keep coming because everyone loves a good tutorial video. So the Glue 101 series is now out. The DynamoDB 101 series is out. I have the EMR 101 series kind of semi-filmed. I'm not happy with it, so I'm going to redo some of it. It's probably going to be another 4 or 5 weeks. With the question bank, at the moment, it might be slightly further. I'm not sure. I've got one on Elasticsearch coming out. It's a great service and really fun to do. It's actually only about a 10-minute tutorial with a 5-minute theory lesson, so it's a really quick one, but it's great. I have a Glue Beginner's Guide series ready to go as well, but it doesn't really add much from the 101 series. In fact, it's just a way of summing that up into like a 10-minute video. If you've done the 101 series, you probably get all the information you need from it. The idea would be hopefully someone new to Glue would watch the beginner's guide and then jump to the 101 series. So that's the EMR service 101 on its way, Glue beginner's guide on its way, Elasticsearch beginner's guide on its way as well. And then I think I'm going to do either an RDS one because there hasn't been one on the channel in ages, or I might look at some of the AI algorithms. And I've got a SageMaker 101 series semi wrote, and I kind of have a beginner's guide version of it as well. So we'll explore those avenues. Of course, if you guys want any videos or have any suggestions, put it in the comments. DMS was one of you guys' suggestions that went live last week. So if you put the suggestion in, I'll do the video. No issues on that. So comment. And then the other thing, we've obviously been aiming for 500 subscribers by December 2021. As of tonight, we're almost at 380. I think it's 379. Looks like we're going to smash that target. So if we do hit 500 before December, I've only got you guys to thank. So thank you very much for all your efforts on this channel. It makes it worthwhile. I do spend a long time on this channel for, nothing financial in return. And obviously I'm making the question bank as well. There will be a charge for the question bank. I'm not sure it's going to be profitable. It's just about covering costs and making a massive resource for us as a community. So I really appreciate, all the efforts that you guys go to watch the videos. And I hope you appreciate the effort that I put in to make them. That being said, I've been Johnny Chivers. I'll make everything for free as usual on the website, www.johnnychivers.co.uk. And guys, thanks for watching.